Welcome back, digitized place, to our channel where we're all about unlocking the secrets to online earning.
I'm David Moreno, and today, we have an exciting video lined up for you.
If you've ever dreamed of making money from the comfort of your own home, then you're in the right place. The questions? How to make money online. Making money online is the sweet spot people look for in the gig economy. Whether you aspire to be a six-figure social media influencer, or are just looking to supplement your regular income with some online side jobs, we found some viable options. 1. Pick up freelance work online. Make money online through websites such as Upwork, Fiverr and Freelancer.com. These sites offer opportunities to do a variety of freelance jobs, such as writing, programming, design, marketing, data entry and being a virtual assistant. Fluent in a second language?
Check sites such as Gengo or Blend Express, or drum up business through a site of your own.
No matter what freelancing you do, keep track of the going rate for the kind of work you provide so you know what to charge.
2. Test websites and apps.
Another way to make money from home is on sites like usertesting.com. You get paid for your thoughts on how well, or not so well, certain websites and apps work. You'll have to complete a short test to be accepted, then you'll be paid depending on the test type. 3. Pick up tasks on Amazon's Mechanical Turk. Even in the age of automation, some jobs still require a human touch. Companies often outsource those jobs to a crowdsourcing marketplace like Amazon's Mechanical Turk. As a worker, the tasks you'll be assigned can be tedious, tagging images, transcribing videos, classifying receipts, and can take anywhere from a few minutes to a few hours. Temporary employers or requesters set the price for each task and approve the finished product before paying you. That can leave room for scams, so do your research. Online communities like the Turkit and Turker Nation subreddits can steer you away from shifty dealers and give a realistic idea of how much money you can expect to make. Read more about Mechanical Turk as a way to make quick money online. 4.
Take surveys for money.
You can make money from home by taking online surveys, but don't expect to earn a lot. Survey sites don't typically offer a big payoff, and many sites are more useful for earning gift cards than cash. Some of the more popular survey sites include Swagbucks and Survey Junkie. Read our analysis of survey sites to find out which one is best suited for you. 5.
Make money from your blog with affiliate links.
If you're a blogger who gets decent traffic, you could make money by joining an affiliate network. Affiliates, that's you, get paid when someone clicks through from the website to the partner site and buys something there. Some bloggers make a lot of money this way. Read more about affiliate marketing and other ways bloggers can make money. 6. Sell your wares on Etsy. Have a penchant for woodworking, jewelry making, embroidery or pottery? Sell your crafts on Etsy, the go-to site for artisans selling home goods, art and knickknacks. According to Etsy, the company has 95 million active buyers, and grossed over $13 billion in merchandise sales in 2022. Learn more about how to make money on Etsy. 7. Self-publish an e-book. Writing a good book is tough, but the internet makes it easy to bring it to market. If you're a writer who can churn out pages, you can use Amazon's Kindle Direct Publishing to sell your books on the Kindle store. It's free to publish a book, and you can earn up to 70% of each sale in royalties. Write your book, enter a clear description and the details to be displayed and upload your manuscript. Set the price and see if it sells. 8. Get advertising revenue from your blog or YouTube channel. Turn your cat videos into cash videos. If your YouTube videos or blog posts draw a big audience, you may be able to make money from advertising. YouTube sets 1,000 subscribers as the benchmark for applying for the YouTube Partner Program. YouTube partners then get access to monetizing features, including a share of ad revenue. You can also use Google's AdSense, the same ad platform on YouTube, to put relevant ads on your blog or website for earning potential.
Read more about how to make money on YouTube and Google AdSense.
9.
Become an Instagram influencer.
Companies are using Instagram influencers, people with large, dedicated followings on the platform, to represent their products. You can get in on the action by applying for opportunities via a marketing platform like Open Influence or Aspire, or by contacting the brands you want to work with. Read more about how to make money on Instagram. You can also make money on TikTok this way. 10.
Monetize your Twitch channel.
Gaming could be a way to make money from home if you have a steady following on Twitch, the go-to site for gamers. Streamers can receive donations from viewers and even get a share of subscription and ad revenue if they reach affiliate or partner status. Learn more about how to make money on Twitch. And that's a wrap, folks. We hope you enjoyed this video packed with valuable insights and strategies for online earning. Remember, the journey to financial freedom is ongoing, and we're here to support you every step of the way.